Alright, we're down here at the beach at Padma just to have a look. Now, there have been some really big, massive beach cleanups lately. The President has had his little say. He's made the Bali government get on top of the rubbish dramas because it's no good for tourism. And everyone apparently was criticising it, and when the President was going overseas, people were saying, why is Bali so dirty? And so what he's done, he's got all the military, the police, all the school kids, everything like that down here. And they've been doing massive clean-ups in the last week or so, last couple of weeks. You can see some of the rubbish here that they've just got piled up. They've been taking away literally hundreds of truckloads of like timber and bamboo and rubbish and plastic. And the beach, see, every night it still washes in, so it's a never-ending job until they can deal with the people dumping it in the rivers in the dry season. It washes out to sea in the wet season. Yeah, they're never going to get on top of it, but that's a one big pile there. There's probably 10 truckloads just there ready to take. Otherwise, the beach is fairly clean. You can see what's just come up last night. It's just small plastic, you know, little plastic bags. These silly little plastic cups are the main problem. They never sink, they just float, you know, and they're the main problem. It's very quiet. It's very, very quiet. There's only a couple of Westerners I can see on the whole beach, and otherwise plenty of locals and local tourists always down here exercising first thing in the morning. But yeah, Bali's still fairly quiet. It's starting to get a bit busier, but probably another couple of months, around April is when everyone comes, you know. We'll get quite busy. Alright, so today, I don't know what I'm going to do today. Actually, I've got to go and buy a window today. One of my windows upstairs is all rotten out. And I've already replaced one before the wet season. And this one's just gone. It's rotten away. It's like paper thin. So today, later on, I'll show you what a hardware is like, or like they make custom windows and doors and that. We'll go there and have a look. Otherwise, this morning we'll just have a bit of a walk. Right, so also today I've got to go and pick up my new T-shirts. I got my Southern Cross with YouTube, and I've put the Southern Cross stars on them as well. So it'll be interesting to see how those T-shirts turned out. I've done that made them T-shirts for my members, and I've got a couple of new members. And yeah, thanks for joining, and your T-shirt will be ready. As soon as you turn up in Bali, I'll drop one off. So anyone who wants to meet up or anything, I sort of can't believe that actually anyone wants. I always get people in the comments, you know, like, you know, I'd like to meet up and talk, and I can't believe that anyone would even want to meet me. I don't really think I'm important or useful in any way, but for my members, yeah, I do that. I do meetups. They get their free T-shirt. The way I look at it is, if they're supporting me, it's only a few bucks a month, but I really don't need that money, and I give that back to them one way or another, you know, by giving them a T-shirt or whatever, or, you know, taking them out for a coffee or something if they turn up in Bali. So anyway, thanks for those new couple of people. I haven't really got that many members, but it's enough just to manage. That way I don't have to make too many T-shirts. Where's Lucy now? I've lost her. Lucy! Where is she? Come on, Lucy. Oh, there she is, way down the beach. She loves the beach because of all these beach dogs here. You see all the beach dogs. She knows them all, and that's about it. So I might get on the bike and yeah, head off home, have some breakfast, go and buy this damn window, and go pick up these T-shirts. Right, he's one of the guys that comes, feeds the dogs every morning. Hey mate, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
You come every day, do you? You don't mind if I film, do you?
That's right. No, my partner comes every day, and I usually come.
Oh, the lady, yeah, I'll probably. Right. Yeah. Or I say, there's actually a couple of Indonesian girls there too, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you feed them? Just biscuits and...
Chicken heads, chicken wings.
Yeah.
Meat.
They're cheap, aren't they? Chicken heads and the livers and that, yeah.
Yeah, and then I give them chicken feet.
All right, yeah.
$1 a kilo.
Yeah, it's cheap, yeah. I do it with my dog, wherever she is, down here.
Yeah.
I just buy like the hearts and livers and that, and then just mash them up in rice.
Yeah.
Fucking loves it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's not expensive.
Yeah. So how long's your wife been doing this for?
4 years.
4 years. Yeah, right.
She's lived here. I'm just retired now, so
All right.
I'm here full time now. I think. Well,
Yeah, it's all around there doing it. Out in Sanur too, there's a couple of ladies that do it.
Yeah, I know the Indonesian lady and that. They're full friends. They feed down in front of the Flaming Galah.
All right.
They're just down here. They usually leave about 7:30. They got about 20 dogs. They do.
Yeah, yeah. I think a lot of them are owned by the beach bars and that. They just.
They are.
Yeah.
So they're pretty well.
Yeah.
These have all got rabies shots and everything.
Yeah. Well, they come around with my dog.
Yeah.
They come around my house.
Yeah.
And once a year they come around and they do everything. They put the little red tag on them when they do it, and it's free. And so she gets done. She's been getting done for about 5 years now.
As you know.
Or even since before COVID, she was getting
That's
done.
a new one. Only the last month. Here's my partner here.
Oh yeah, yeah, right. I've seen her feeding the dogs. Hello, how are you?
Morning.
You got 2 more. These your ones?
These are mine.
On the bike. Good girl. Lucy loves the bike, don't you, Lucy? Well, they pulled down this here at Padma. Wow, they pulled down that building. Wonder what they're going to build there right on the corner. Now, there is a new little coffee shop just up here. Farmer's Daughter. Doesn't look like it's open yet. Closed. It seems to be pretty popular. There's always people in there recently. Hello. That's the lady who walks the dogs and feeds the dogs. All right, so I'll put this camera down, read the traffic and see you when I get home. Right, so this is a little supply shop. You can might as well buy everything bulk here. Yeah, glass, satu aja. This is really good coffee, this stuff. It's called Top Coffee. It's about $2 a pack and you get a free glass with it when you buy a pack, so it's really good. Thank you. Alright, so you get me free glass. So every time I come in I just get 1 glass. They always want to give me 2, 1 each packet, but I just always take 1. And this is that. Alright, so that's it. Got the coffee. I was just about running out too, and it's hard to find this stuff. Not everyone has it. What do you reckon, Liz? Alright? It's 2,500 about, I don't know, 20 cents. This is like traditional homemade bread. Roti. It's good, still warm too, believe it. Some of them have got like chocolate in and bananas in them. They've got different things in them, or you can just get the plain bread. So there's all different flavours and that. It's cheap and it's good snack food. You get $1 worth, it's 4. 10,000 worth. You see now the garbage is piling up because the dump's closed or partially closed and everywhere around town, rubbish everywhere. Right, so this is how you buy eggs. You just buy them by the piece. They're like 2,000 each, 20 cents each. Might get a couple of potatoes or what? About $2 for 10 eggs or something. Alright, and this is how you buy them. These are Torong, Japanese eggplant, carrot, wattle, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, kangkong. This is basically like a little mini convenience veggie shop. Chocos, tofu. Okay. Got a couple of potatoes. Going to make some bangers and mash today. I've got some good gravy at home. Okay, so I'm here at my T-shirt printing company. Got the T-shirts made up. Takes about 2 or 3 days to print them up. So we'll get home and we'll see what they're like. They're T-shirts for the members. Okay, so just picked up those T-shirts. I've got a couple of different ones. So now it's got the Southern Cross Go with the Southern Cross stars. That one's on the front, plus it's got Southern Cross on the back. This one's just got Southern Cross and the stars on the back. Oh, it's got it on the front as well. I wonder why they did it like that. I just ordered either front or back, but they've done both. Anyway, so I've got 3 double XLs and a triple XL, and they're all different setups, I suppose. I either wanted it on the back or the front, but it looks like they've printed both sides. But anyway, they're for the members, new T-shirts, beauty. Okay, so this is what they're like on. It looks way better with the stars on it. I should have been doing that in the first place. This one's also got it on the back. So yeah. Hello. What's this, Miss Bakso? Look out. She got the Bakso sash on. So this is about the best Bakso around. You get dumplings and stuff like that as well. So we just stop in here. I'll go in and show you what it's like. It's a pretty good place. It's really good. It's fresh. So you can get all these different types of like dumplings, and you can pick them extra, or you can just pick a set thing like, you know, ribs, bakso, noodles, and then you pick what you want here and just add them in. And yeah, like 2,000 each for the dumplings. Try and guess a look, Miss Bakso. Woohoo! Look out. She's Miss Bakso or Bali.
What do you want?
Just get me a couple extra dumplings as well. Yeah, just bakso and a couple of them as well. The steamed ones.
Baksonya berapa biji?
Berapa? 3, 4.
Oh, it's Tigger. Triple digit.
3 biji. Okay.
And this is the bakso. They steam it.
I want this.
So if you get takeaway, they just put the plastic in the bowl and then put the bakso and then the soup later. You can buy bakso anywhere, the little carts and all that on the street, but this is basically the best one. Really good quality. It's always fresh, always busy. So is he bringing out some more ones, dumplings, big ones? Wow, fried dumplings. Whatever. Oh, Yuli's onto it. And they're full of like meat and that inside them here. Alright, so we'll get this. We're just getting takeaway. We go home and eat it. And we're going to stop. It's ayam geprek. It's like smashed sort of chicken. They fry the chicken and then they sort of break it. Chicken and rice, only 10,000, like $1. So we'll get a couple of them for Mercer and little Kenzo. You can pick what sort of chicken you want, whichever piece. So it's pretty good value. They're big bits of chicken and they give you heaps of rice and that, and it's only $1, 10,000. So, and that's sort of our dinner done and sorted. What do you reckon, Luce? So this is what we just bought for dinner. All this cost $7. We got the 2 chicken and rices. I got the bakso with extra steamed dumplings in it. Yuli got bakso, is it? What is it? Yuli got bakso with vegetables, and then we got this big bag of like fried dumplings as well that you just put in the soup of your bakso. And all that, $7. So it's pretty cheap out here where we live. Okay, so Yuli got the beef bakso with vegetables. I got the so this is bakso with noodles, and you get these big dumplings as well. I got 3 extra dumplings as well. And we got all these fried ones, and you just throw the fried ones in with the soup like that. So it's a hell of a feed. Probably won't even eat it all. Got these little package ones, those new dumplings that come out when Oldie Boo was bringing out. Look at them, they're really good. They're full of meat. So all this is like $7 for the rice and the baksos and everything. So just goes to show, like out here where there is no tourism, even the warungs are a lot cheaper than warungs around, you know, around Legian, Kuta, Seminyak, like that. So it's way cheap out here.